Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And here you can see the language option in the bottom of your screen. Now click on the word English. Then you'll be able to see a list of languages that you can change into. If you click on the voice option, you'll also be able to change the voice language. Now select the language that you want to change into. Then click on OK option. In order to switch the language, the game needs to be restarted, so click on the OK button. And that is how you can change language in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.